Busy little creatures.
I think we better go back and find another way.
That might be a good idea.
Stop! I got her.
She's losing a lot of blood.
Maybe that's why she hasn't been implanted yet.
How do you know?
There's no dead parasitoid by her feet.
All right, Andy, this is on you, so you do something. Please, Andy.
25% of the human genome is shared with rats. And it worked on the rat.
Okay.
We take her back to the hauler and we put her in the cryopod. I don't trust them. I got it.
Watch out!